Right guys, so I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to get audio that might only be going through one channel into both channels. So just to show you how I came about this test. Mic check 1 2. I'm just testing how the mic works. Now that is through the MacBook microphone. So that's completely fine. But I was curious to see if I can get a better sound out of my Focusrite audio interface that's got a Sontronics mic connected to it. And this is how it turned out. Mic check 1 2. I'm just testing how the volume works. Which I was like, why is that only coming out of one channel? So to fix that, just right hand click, go to audio channels and change media source channel from left to the same channel that you're hearing the audio out of. That way, now it's going to sound like this. Mic check 1 2. I'm just testing how the volume works. Whoop. Please like and subscribe if this helped you, and I'll be sure to give you more tips along the way in regards to video, photography and motion graphics. Right now you can see the video that I'm editing is to do with DJing, which I do in my spare time, and you could probably see a little bit of that on my music channel or a bit on my Insta at Rick Flow Music. But yeah, if that helped, like and subscribe, and more tips coming very soon. Alright, peace.